Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to design LinkedIn carousel posts in Canva. Carousel posts are a fantastic way to share multiple pieces of information in a single post, making your content more engaging and interactive for your professional network. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for this tutorial, I'm assuming you're already set up and ready to go. After logging in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see various options. Click on Create. This button opens up a menu with different design options that Canva offers. From this menu, you'll want to select Custom Size. This allows you to set specific dimensions for your design rather than using preset templates. Now you'll see fields where you can input your desired dimensions. For LinkedIn carousel posts, the ideal size is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Type 1080 into the width field and 1080 into the height field. This square format works perfectly for LinkedIn's carousel feature and ensures your content displays properly across all devices. Once you've entered these dimensions, click Create New Design. Canva will now generate a blank canvas with your specified size. With your canvas ready, turn your attention back to the left side panel and click on Templates. This is where Canva's extensive library of pre-made designs comes in handy. In the search bar that appears, type LinkedIn carousel post and hit enter. You'll be presented with numerous professionally designed templates specifically created for LinkedIn carousels. Browse through the options until you find a template that matches your style and message. When you've found one you like, click on it. You'll notice an option to apply all 6 pages, which is perfect if you want a consistent design throughout your carousel. Click this option, or if you prefer, you can select individual pages that you want to use for your specific needs. Now comes the creative part. Once you have your template loaded, it's time to edit and customize it to fit your content. Click on any text element to change the wording to match your message. You can also adjust colors, fonts, and images to align with your personal or company branding. Feel free to move elements around, add new graphics, or delete anything that doesn't serve your purpose. After you've finished customizing your carousel to perfection, it's time to download it. Click on the download button, typically found in the top right corner of Canva. Make sure your file format is suitable for LinkedIn, usually PNG or PDF works best. Once downloaded, you can head over to LinkedIn and post your newly created carousel. And that's it. You've successfully designed a professional LinkedIn carousel post in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.